Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find a saved Gmail password in the Brave browser. Let's dive in. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Go to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. From here, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to the autofill section. Then, click on Passwords. This is where all your saved passwords are stored in the Brave browser. Next, locate the entry for Gmail or Google. Click on the small eye icon next to the password field. To reveal the password, you'll need to enter your computer's password or authenticate using your fingerprint or face if it's enabled. Once revealed, you can note the password or copy it securely. If needed, you can also update or delete the saved password right here. And that's it. Finding a saved Gmail password in the Brave browser is super simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.